bathroom mirror should not look like a crime scene of orange streaks and stained towels. We have all been there. You spend an hour buffing in a messy mousse only to wake up looking like a piece of citrus fruit. It is frustrating. It is sticky. And honestly, it usually smells terrible. Now, there's a new player in the beauty game called the Sun-Free Glow Patch. It claims to skip the entire mess. The technology sounds like something straight out of a high-budget sci-fi movie. It uses microneedles. Now, hold on. Do not let the word needle scare you off just yet. These are tiny. They are microscopic. These needles are designed to dissolve directly into your skin. This is the big selling point from the folks at the brand. Instead of just painting the surface of your body, these patches aim much deeper. They deliver a cocktail of ingredients like tanning agents and peptides beneath the top layer of your skin. The idea is to trigger your pigmentation in a way that looks authentic. It is not just about a quick fix. They say it is about a gradual, natural bronze that develops over several weeks. The internet is absolutely obsessed with this right now. You see the videos everywhere. People are tired of the risks that come with sun exposure. They want the look of a tropical vacation without the long-term damage. This patch promises that middle ground, but we need to take a step back and look at the reality behind the viral clips. Most of the glowing praise is coming directly from the brand's own backyard. You see these perfect results on their website. You see the polished testimonials on your social media feed. But independent scientific evidence is still a bit thin on the ground. We know that tanning agents like DHA are proven ingredients. They have been the backbone of the beauty industry for a very long time. However, delivering them through a dissolving patch is a relatively new frontier. Does it actually work better than a high-quality lotion? That is the big question. It feels like we are currently living in an experimental era of skincare technology. You might end up with that perfect, sun-kissed glow you have been chasing. Or you might find yourself paying a premium price for what is essentially a fancy sticker. It is important to clarify that this does not seem to be a scam in the traditional sense. The company is real. The product is being shipped to customers every day. It is not a fake website designed to steal your credit card info. But the gap between the marketing and the actual results can be wide. Some people report a very subtle change. Others might not see much of a difference at all. If you love being an early adopter of new tech, this might be a fun experiment for you. Just keep your feet on the ground. Do not expect a miracle transformation in 24 hours. This is a slow burn. It requires patience. It also requires a bit of caution. You should always perform a small test on a hidden area of your skin first. You never know how your unique chemistry will react to this delivery method. We are seeing a massive shift in the beauty world right now. Everything is moving away from basic creams and toward these deeper transdermal treatments. It is a bold leap forward. It is flashy and exciting. But at the end of the day, it is your skin. Treat it with a healthy dose of curiosity and a little bit of skepticism. The dream of a sunless summer is a powerful one. Just make sure you are making an informed choice before you jump on the latest trend.